awesome workout. Okay, so now we're ready to really get into some more skills. And we've been talking about space, and I'm not talking outer space. For the dance, we talked about general space. Now I want to talk about personal space. Sometimes people call it your bubble. It's the area where you stay in so that nobody bumps into you or that you don't bump into anyone else, and you keep your body under control in that space. And so I'm going to use the hula hoop today to show you my personal space. So I'm going to put it right down here on the ground. If you don't have a hoop, I just want you to imagine or think it's this little area that's all yours that you can move around in, and no one is going to enter into your space. And if you were with others, you wouldn't enter into their space. Okay? So personal space. So we're going to do something called animal jumps. Woo! More to get that heart pumping. Okay? So make sure again you're in a space where there's nothing to break, no one to run into, and you can't get hurt. All right. So for 30 seconds, we're going to do different kinds of animal jumps. So I'm going to show you what I think this animal might jump like, or insect, right? This is from our alphabet, so bear with me. They might not all technically be animals. And have fun. It's going to go for 30 seconds. I'll play some music. When the music stops, whew, you freeze. Give you a second to catch your breath, and then we'll go to the next animal. Okay? So our very first animal today, I don't know if you can see that, but that's an ant. So, oh, they're teeny tiny little guys. How in the world am I going to jump like an ant? So I'm going to think about that. I know ants are small, kind of close to the ground, so I think I'm going to get down low, right? Okay, so 30 seconds. Animal jumps. Here we go. Ready? When the music starts, you go. Here we go. Job. Woo. Good job, ants. Okay, so I want you to think about the next one. Next one's a little different. Oops, sorry. Can you see that? We got butterfly. Butterfly. Okay, well I know that butterflies usually don't hang out on the ground. I know that butterflies have wings. There's different ways to do wings. So I want you to think about if you see a butterfly jumping around on plants, what does it look like? Okay, you ready? Another 30 seconds, here we go. Looking good. Staying in your bubble, yeah? Not coming out of that personal space. Go butterflies. 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Nice job. Oops, here I am. Nice job. Okay, few more to go, okay? Just a few more. Woo! All right, can you see that? Cow. Moo. All right, how in the heaven is a cow jump? We got to think about that. Well, let's see. I know cows are big and heavy. They're not going to flutter around like a butterfly. They're not light. They're heavy. So think about it. How are you going to jump like a cow? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good job, cows. Whew. All right. Can you see it? Don't laugh at my drawing. Dinosaur. Okay. Well, there's lots of dinosaurs. Some of you probably know much more about dinosaurs than myself. I'm thinking right now about a T-Rex. T-Rex has little arms. He or she stands on 2 feet. Kind of fierce. So I'm thinking my T-Rex is going to have some attitude. Ready? All right, here we go, you T-Rexes. Show me attitude. I'm staying in my T-Rex bubble. Getting a little funky. Getting funky dinosaur. Come on, you dinosaurs. What does it look like? Maybe it's a happy baby dinosaur. All right, we're almost there. 3, and 2, and 1. Woo! Nice job. Okay, friends. So jump like a dinosaur. I want you to think, when you do this video again on your own for fun, is there different ways you could have those 4 animals move? Right? We had an ant. Sorry. Okay, we had an ant. How did they move? Change it. Butterfly. Cow. Moo. And T-Rex. Dinosaur. All right, have fun, work hard. Next, we're moving up to some strength building.